skies of Morocco all the way here to the city of Araneta. This is Gateway to Cinema 11, and we are all here for the much-awaited premiere of Prime Original Series Love Is Never Gone. Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing tonight? So many blessings coming one after the other. What does that feel like for you?
For me personally, I'm very grateful ako sa lahat ng blessings na natatanggap ko. Especially, this is my first ever series. Yeah, so I'm very, very happy and so grateful.
Ayan, grateful. And syempre, palagi kami excited. We're gonna make bagong projects, bagong knowledge na matutulong namin sa lahat ng co-actors na pigilanan namin sa lahat ng buong staff na director. So, palagi kami grateful.
So this one is coming out on May 8th, diba? You guys have a movie coming out on the 6th naman. Tell us more about that one.
Ayan, malapit na lumabas yung promote. So guys, thank you opportunity na to. Please watch Almost Us. Malapit na po sa May 6 na yan. Yes, thank you. Directed by Dan Villegas.
Thank you so Miss Aramina. Brown is your color, I must say. Now, based off of the trailer, your role here is very special. Can you give us a little hint about what would that be?
Well, my role is very special here. And I'm Rita Crisanto and mom of Joshua.
And what can you say that fans can look forward to sa series na to?
Wow, I think I am naman kasi this is also my comeback sa Dreams Gate Candy and sa Soul after 4 years after Provinciano.
With the rest of the cast?
And now, speaking of, coming up next we have Emily Quezon.
this kind of project. Can you tell us more? Can you take us through what can the fans expect from this show?
This show has a lot of action. There's romance, of course, a lot of love scenes, a lot of drama scenes, and maybe a lot of action.
I love it. So basically, so much for everyone to look forward to.
It has all the ingredients for a perfect TV series.
There you go. And one short message to your fans over here.
Yes, I'd like to invite my fans to come and see, well, we have to download Prime Video so you can watch this TV series. It's a limited special series from Prime Video. It's going to show every Friday starting on May 8th. And every Friday there's going to be 2 episodes that you can watch. So it's something I've always been active in, probably for a long time. For a long time. Maybe this is the first time I'm working with them.
Di mawawala kahit na iwan mag-isa. Walang mawawala, walang mag-iba, walang pagsisisihan sa mawala. Naalala ko kung paano tayo nabuhay sa gitna ng gulo. Naririnig pa rin ang iyong mga sinabi. Sa puso ko lang nakatabi. Oksigen sa paghinga.
Laughing duo here, okay? Dito po. Dito po. Ivana, here please. Yan.
Di madali
Yan, okay. 1, 2, 3.
naging kwento.
Sir Joshua, here. 1, 2, 3.
Mahalan, nagsakitan, ikaw at ako.
Masaya ako kasi yung kasama ako sa Journey Boy, sa really excited, parang hindi ko rin nakagawa yung show na ko kasi pinagirapan namin lahat.
Sobrang saya kasi everyone feels like family already. And of course, was never done. This is my great project. So excited ako manood dahil grabe yung effort and grabe yung pagmamahal na inuus ang bawat isa.
Last question for you guys. Kamusta?
Ayusin ako. Hindi ako, surprise hindi ako nagkakaroon talaga. Umpisa pa lang alam namin kailangan na magulungan. Umpisa pa lang alam namin na mahaba ang journey yung tatakbo namin together. So, ang ganda lang na sinimulan namin siya ng maganda. Kaya, patapos na kami. We're up to like a few days na lang ng shooting days. And then, yeah, well done.
And can you tell us a little bit, one of your favorite things about working with Joshua?
One, ako marami. Kasi sobrang gentleman, sobrang generous. Marami. Tsaka very matulungin siya pag nasa eksena. Wari kailangan mo yan. Hindi talaga ako ginagulyan. Kasi yun. O, hindi.
Hello!
Hi!
Hello!
Okay, what are you feeling? Anong nararamdaman ninyo? This is it. Papanood na namin yung pinaghirapan ninyo.
Ako personally, sobrang excited lang ako. Excited ako makita yung pinaghirapan ng lahat. And nakaka-proud lang kasi natapos na rin namin. Patapos na kami. Last few days na lang yung shooting days namin. And nakaka-proud. Proud ako sa lahat ng mga cast members na kasama namin dito. And yun, sana po magustuhan nyo itong hinanda namin para sa inyo.
Thank you, Joshua. Ivana.
Ako naman, this is my dream project.
Wow, talaga?
Oo naman. Maraming salamat at sana ma-enjoy nyo kasi grabe talaga yung pagmamahal na nilagay namin dito.
At saka ang galing mo dito.
Wow!
Ang galing nga dito.
Hindi, kasi magaling si Joshua. Nahahawa lang ako ng very light. Pero
Habol,
ayan.
ah.
Okay. Sana po magustuhan nyo.
Yun. Okay.